this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is kind of a unique little process video that I'm doing. I decided to try out for the Crafty Maven Getaway's design team call, and Hannah over there, the main person that runs that group, asked us to make like what theme or challenge would you bring to the table. And I asked her if she could send me 3 things that she would like me to challenge. And so that's what I did. I kind of wanted to tell her that if she decided to use me as one of her design team members, that I would love to bring weekly challenges of using your stash or something that I come up with unique, kind of not like a grab bag type thing, because normally a lot of them will do like grab 5 or whatever, but just a challenge of getting yourself using those things. So she came back with me using a pattern paper that is older than 2016 or 2016 and older, which this collection of the older I Am collection is what I'm using, and it was done in 2015. And then the other thing that she asked me to use is baker's twine. Unfortunately, fortunate enough that I do not have baker's twine, but I have ribbon. So I offset that part of the challenge with ribbon, and I do use that in there. And then the other thing is something that I have purchased kind of in a newer, like recently, and that is my Ink Road stamp from my Ink Road stamp. I think it's the second bun, the hair bun one that she released here I think in August. And so that was recently what I've purchased. And then the reason why I decided to use my traveler's notebook is she wanted me to use something that was a little bit older in my stash outside of the 2016 and older paper. And my traveler's notebook is actually fairly old. I've had this one for quite a while, and I decided that that's what I was going to make my layout in. So now getting back to it, as you can see, I'm layering up, I'm getting my background paper done, and I'm using this picture. Now this photo is of me, and this traveler's notebook is all about me, and my selfies if I take them of myself, just to get me grounded with just things about me. And in the I Am collection, they have this top 10 type 4x6 paper cut apart that I used. Here I am, I'm using out the older stuff, and I'm getting them done, and that little sticker that I put down is called Here and There. Here Now or Here and There, one of the two. There's the ribbon. I had to go collect everything. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to use yet, so I didn't get everything out. And the title that I'm using is I Am, which is the newer I Am collection that Simple Stories has released. So I kind of went older and newer and that kind of stuff, and thought that that was an amazing way of a take to do that. So that's kind of what I'm doing. And let's see here, what else am I? So I get this all down and I cut it out, and I do all my journaling off camera, but I will tell you a little bit of what I'm getting on there. And I realized that I decided to use kind of like a little bit of my older collection as well as my distress oxides. I just recently have started purchasing these colors, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to use the black from there so that I can put it on my photo. Now the distress oxides works amazing on the photos. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't, not like some inks that you may think of, and it works out well, and it dries pretty quickly, actually, you know, considering that it is an ink based style, and it works well. So here I am, I'm taking a couple of the other stamps, and I'm just placing little things here and there, and this is of hearts, and then the other two little stamp, or the other stamp that I use, it's called You're a Badass. That's what it is. And this is my stamp chamois that I have. Now mine is not from where everybody else gets theirs. Mine is from Stampin' Up. I like theirs better than some of the other ones because it's thicker. but that's just me. And here I am now. I'm going around and I'm going to start layering this up. So when I did this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not sure if I made it. They asked for us to do a exclusive process video for the Crafty Maven. So I don't know if I've made it when I put this up. I may or may not have, but I wanted to at least make the process video and then afterwards show this whether I make it or not, just to show that what I decided to do for their design team call. And there is the newer collection that I said. The word I am and that feather is new. I do have the still shots coming up, along with, you know, like and subscribe, obviously. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. That would be greatly appreciated. And I'm just putting up some butterflies and that kind of stuff. And like I said, I do my journaling off camera because I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do for my top 10. But you will see in the still shots what I use. And I hope to talk to you soon. Bye!